Here we go. Trinity River right up ahead. We got another tournament this weekend. To make a long story short, we're chasing a monster gar, man. Let's get down here and see if we can reunite with ET. But let's figure it out. It's a little choppy down here, y'all. Here we go. Yo. Hey. Gar fishing. What's up, y'all? GARTARDZ out here with my boy ET.
Hey,
let's go, man. We got a gar tournament this weekend, as I was saying earlier. Biggest fish wins. We got a whole bunch of competition this go around. I think about 80 people are fishing this tournament or so. Yeah, it's all Texas waters. We're out here at the Trinity River, of course. This is our spot. This is where we always hook up to gar. We're chasing nothing other than monster alligator gar. Trying to come out here and chase the biggest gar we can hook up to. And hopefully we can secure a first place, man. We're about to check our rods and get baits out. Got the kids out here. I don't have much battery life, so I'm just gonna get as many clips as I can in a short time span. So let's get some rods out, man. Let's get these monsters on the bank. Woo-hoo! I'm getting my first bait out. I got all my rods checked in, and we're not wasting no time. It's gonna be a lot of people chasing that first place bag. So we're gonna launch some baits out. We got the whole weekend, but we're trying to secure a catch as quick as possible. All right, I'm gonna get another bait out and I'll get back with y'all. All right, second bait going out. Got that big old BGK hook. I think that's what it is. Right there. 2 apiece, that's the limit. Biggest fish, $1,700. Technically, we're chasing a $1,700 fish. And I need to stock up on honey packs and go to the casino and run them slots up. So, yeah, I'm hoping we can catch that 8-footer. Hit the top of the charts, man.
That's kind of got me worried.
I'm gonna set on this one, y'all. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, damn, that's a big fish. Oh. Backpack. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, y'all. Oh. 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 Please don't get hung up. No. Come on. Come on. Okay. I think it's pretty close. Here we go. Here we go, right here.
Hey, you don't mean ready as a line.
Make sure you don't hit the stop button. Here we go, right here.
I'm gonna leave your line out here.
Is it still good? Here we go. It ain't too big, but it's a good one. All right, y'all got the lasso?
Yeah, you want me to lasso? You want me to lasso it for you? You want to?
Can you?
Yeah.
You can?
I'm in the tournament, so I can.
Yeah, okay.
Hold it.
There he goes. Come back here, man. Don't be like that. Here we go, here we go. Okay. You want to see if you can lasso? If he'll stop taking off on me. All right, go ahead. Okay. All right, let me pull him up for you. There you go, Philip. Nice, 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 nice. Got him, got him. Nice, nice. Oh, buddy.
Alright, hold on, let me rig.
Alright, I'm gonna pause this, guys. We're gonna get this fish in.
On that other side. Well, I don't know.
Okay, here we go.
Right there, let me get this.
6'7" inch, okay.
Tip of the nose, y'all. Tip of the nose.
We like be in the car. We like be in the apron.
End of the tail.
79 inches, y'all.
Approximately.
79 inches.
Alright. 6'7" inch.
I'm gonna get this one more time. Tip of the nose. There's a little bit extra.
Under the lasso.
Down the back. Down the tail. 79 inches. A 79-inch fish, y'all.
It's as big as these two.
Yeah. All right. Let's see if we can get that hook out and get the release so we can get this video posted.
I'd like to get a pic with.
Hold on. Let's get the release. Hurry up.
Look out.
We gotta hurry, Aaron, before this thing cuts off. We gotta hurry, bro.
The photo? I hate this. This is the worst. This is the worst. Look, headlamp. Oh god.
All right. Let's get it going. Let's get it going, bro.
All right.
Get away.
I'm trying to let you go, girl. All right. 6'7" inch gar.
Oh.
She just threw up some water all over me.
Yeah. Come on.
We're gonna get this fish back in.
Get down.
What'd you say? 6'7"?
6'7" inch.
All right, y'all.
Did you get the for yourself?
All right. We're gonna get her right back out here. 6'7" inch.
All right. Yep. Good fish, man.
Look at that river monster, man. You ready?
Better not snap.
There she goes.
Nice, dude. Nice fish. Hey. Yes, sir.
Good shit, man.
All right, I'm gonna stop this video.
We're trying to make the most of the day. So we came to our spot we were at last night. So we're about to see if we can get down here real quick, get some baits out, and hopefully catch a fish over here, man. It's some big fish out here, so let's get it, man. Woo. All right. Yo. A lot of nicotine patches. All right. Oh my God, dude. All right, I'm not gonna front y'all. We just heard something big in the woods back here. I think it may have been like a cat or something. Massive chunk going out. Man, if that won't catch a big alligator gar, I don't know what will, y'all. There we go. Pretty decent shad over here. This is pretty good size right there. Perfect bait size. Let's see them.
All right, y'all. Just netted a few big gizzard shad right now.
Oh, damn.
Nice.
Look at that. Nice.
Nice,
We've had the best luck on shad like that, man.
Yeah,
nice. Watch that log right there.
Ooh, I see it.
Mullet.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll use that. I might use a piece of that. See if I can set this one. See if I can get it set. Okay. Yeah. Doesn't feel that big.
Got a fish on, man.
Oh, right there. Got me hung up, man. Oh, there we go. Okay, I got him on now. Come on, man.
I don't think it's...
Oh yeah, he's pretty solid. Okay, that's a pretty good one. Yeah. There you go, nice. Oh, there he goes, pill and drag.
But,
Better than nothing, shit.
yeah. All right, right in the corner of the mouth, too.
Oh, perfect hook set, yeah. Here, you want to hold this while I lasso it?
Let me find my... It's my screw on top of that bucket, and I'll screw it on. I'll lasso it if you can. Dude, these sides always fight.
They fight really good, yeah. That's a perfect hook set.
Alright, I'm gonna work it over this way, and then I'll let you know.
Gonna lasso this fish. Nice.
Trying to get in that last little bit.
Oh, barely got him.
All right, you got it, lasso.
I'm telling you. He got some weight though.
Yeah.
Tell you. Nice fish.
Look at that hook set, y'all.
Perfect hook set.
Yes, sir.
Look at the hook set right in the corner right there. This fish is going to be perfectly fine. Perfect hook set.
Measurement on that one.
6 inches, y'all. 5.5. And oh yeah. 69.5.
Really?
69.5. 5 foot 9 inches.
5 foot 9 inch fish, y'all. Not too bad. All right.
5 foot 9.5 inches. Good fish. There's the ones, man. Look at that noggin, y'all. Boom.
Okay.
Want to get a release on this girl?
Yeah, will you hold this? Yeah. Gave up a real good fight, y'all. Heavy fish, hungry fish. We got that hook out of the corner of her mouth. And hey, it's gonna be the best part here. Watch this. We're gonna let her go.
Yeah. Safe and sound. These fish are tough, y'all.
God, she's
They stink a little.
yeah.
You get used to it.
Okay. Go back home.
Oh yeah, she's ready. Oh, damn. She splashed the shit out of us. Boy, she was mad.
Yeah.
She said, let me go. Good catch, man. Woo! All right, I'm switching it up, y'all. We're gonna try some cut shad. ET approves. Woo! Woo! I cut some slits in it, got some blood leaking from it. Y'all know the shad's already real oily too. So, carp is producing. Let's see what the shad's like. Right out there.
Yeah.
My boy got another guard down here.
I'm trying to horse it up this way.
Believe it or not, that's where I landed that 6er. He fought me down the whole bank. It's not 2.
This fish just trying to spit that.
Oh, that's a pretty good one, yeah.
Don't feel too bad.
Hey, that might be a 6. 6 at least. Here we go.
There's my bobber.
Yeah, yeah. There he goes. Pill and drag. Oh.
Look at that.
Oh, we'll do it again. Oh. Pill and some drag.
That's not a bad one.
Yeah, it ain't bad. Oh, yeah, hey, he's big. He's big. Yeah, he's pretty big.
What is that? That's another. What is?
What?
Oh, he's in my other line. That's what that is. Right?
Yeah.
I guess we'll get this fish
Last
last.
Here you go.
Okay, look out of him.
Yeah, look. Somebody lost this fish. Bobber hanging out its mouth. Your phone?
Mm-hmm. All right, let me get us some heavy real quick.
Look at that. Somebody else, this was the fish that got away, y'all.
Hopefully we can get that.
Yeah, we're gonna try and get that hook out. All right, confirmed measurement, 70.5 inches. Yeah, that is a good fish. So 1.5 inch shy of 6 foot.
All right, you want to open this mouth to see if I can't get
Yeah.
a couple of these hooks out?
Woo!
Trying to lift this mouth up right here. Hold on. Working with this buddy. I'm just gonna get some of these hooks out of your mouth. Chill out, chill out.
Yeah. Still living though, and fighting. That's proof.
Yeah.
Cause that leader, God knows how old that is.
Boy, there ain't no telling.
You know, and it's still kicking it, man. All right, so I want to show y'all this leader. We caught this. ET caught this gar with this leader. Look how long the leader is, and it has swallowed this hook, and it broke someone off. God knows how old this is, but it swallowed that, completely swallowed that. So that goes to show you, even if these fish do swallow the hook, these things are so tough, man. This gar is just kicking it, man. I think they're just so tough. So if it's not bleeding too bad, I think it'll be, obviously you always want to get the hook out, but
You got anything that's gonna cut that?
let me check. Oh, get the tail. Oh, and the mouth open. Let me get a couple more.
What was this?
5, 10 and a half.
5, 10 and a half. Big girl ate on some carp. Had another leader hanging out of her mouth. She had the hook swallowed. We were gonna try and get it out, but couldn't. So we cut the wire off. Had like a 4-foot wire on hanging out of her mouth. But hey, gave up a crazy fight. We're gonna let this fish go.
Let's get it.
She's
Heavy.
Oh, that's my line.
Yeah, yeah. They had a whole other leader swallowed. We helped her the best we could. She's a survivor, man. She's gonna go and she'll be fine.
She's just as tired as I am, my man.
Yeah. There she goes. Boom.
All right.
Very nice.
Woo!
All right, well, this spot did all right tonight. ET caught 2 good 5-foot gar. I had a lot of hookups, but I got hung up every single time, so I'm probably never fishing here again. No, we're gonna head back to Livingston, grab some food, and I think we're gonna go ahead and hit another spot closer to Livingston while we're in town, just to see if we can come up on any more bigger ones. Hopefully a contender, fingers crossed. Right now the biggest fish is still 7.4, but we're gonna get back to the truck, get in town, go eat, and get out to our other spot. Woo! All right, hold on, wait. All right, y'all. 5 foot 10 inch, just shy of 6 foot. The 5-footers put up the best spots, I'm telling y'all, man. Not quite the competition winner, but to say the least, it was an amazing fight. We're gonna get her in the water and let her get back to her habitat. 5 foot 10 inch.
Respectable fish, that's for sure.
Yeah. Damn, if I had my shoes off, I'd get in the water.
Oh yeah, she's ready to go.
Yeah.
All right, nice catch though.
Yeah,
hey.
good night. Woo.